So one of the reasons that I think it's really important for North Americans to attend events like this is because Europe is ahead of the trends. So trends tend to move from east to west, and that means North America is generally one of the last places to see new ideas and new items. And so if you're kind of meeting it where it starts at an event like spoga+gafa, then you get to bring those ideas back to your own operation and kind of be ahead of the competitors in your own market. If you only ever stick to attending your wholesaler events, then you're only ever going to see what those buyers have discovered at events. And those buyers are going to events like spoga+gafa. So if you can kind of go and kind of meet your own wholesaler buyers or even other big box buyers, they're going to be there. And so you can see what they see ahead of everybody else.